Yeah, it's the inside, man. Mr. Attitude going on the track, man. Something sneaky. Alright, I'm ready. I'm gonna do the first part first. The little hook and the verse, and that's I'm gonna stop right there.
Good. Alright. Count down like that. 1, 2, 3, and I hit record, okay?
Alright. Okay, I'm ready. I said I'm riding, I'm getting it. I'm riding, I'm getting it. I'm riding, I'm getting it. It's mine, I spend it. It's mine, I spend it. It's mine, I spend. I said I'm blowing on that loud, man. I got her right now, and my lady keep on asking me when we go on vacation. She been asking since the winter, and I told her, man, it's summer, cause this mistake gon' do numbers. Cause I'm rapping, I'm killing it. It's mine, I done spit it. This flow, I done flipped it. This beat, I done ripped it. You diss me, I just missed it. Your flow is weak, your bars ain't hard, and you, no stress. You just mad cause I'm just riding around. Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna keep everything